Hello, welcome back to Good Eating Chef. And today we are going to make
stir fry.
We already have some oil heating up in the pan. You see we have it on high. Now we are going to
add the chicken
to the pan. Whoa. And spread it around so it all touches the bottom, the pan. And let it cook. We paused a second to wash our hands. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC. Next time what you sing with me. And now while our chicken is cooking, we will add some seasoning. Add a lot of it. All right, I think. All right, and now we want to add 2 dabs of this.
Maybe a little bit more of this. Or a lot bit more of this. Shake. Get it in there. Hurry up.
And now we will mix it.
That's the curry, so I can get it.
All right. And now we are going to, now that our chicken is brown, a little bit brown, we are going to add our veggies, get some veggies, and add the broccoli. Broccoli. Hi. Now that these pieces of broccoli are cooked, now we are going to add the peppers. And now we add our baby corns or the next ingredient that you have, and we mix it. All right, now that our other vegetables had a chance to cook, we will pour our bottle of soy sauce in.
It's stir-fry sauce.
Stir-fry sauce. Try to get as much in as you can. And now
Mix it.
Mix it. And when you add the chicken, make sure to not lick your hands, like my sister did in the other video. And now that you mixed it, add the lid and let it cook. And now, just after a short wait, dinner is ready. All right. Does anybody know what this fantastic meal might be? Does anybody know what this is?
What is it called?
Stir fry.
Stir fry.
Yep. That is how our stir fry turns out when it is done. And when you taste yours, I think it will be delicious. So,
Elmo.
now let's feast.